I think this pandemic has really exacerbated the disparities that have already existed in our society. When we talk about air pollution, what does emergency preparedness look like? My name is Sandy Naranjo. I'm the California Organizing Manager for Mothers Off Rent. Mothers Off Rent is a growing national movement of mothers, grandmothers, and others that want to take action to stop climate change and achieve climate justice. I am also part of the AB 617 steering committee, the portside environmental justice community, not just better our air, but protect our children. Our greenhouse gas emissions here in San Diego County, about over 40% of it comes from transportation. So there is a shift because of shelter in place. I've noticed definitely the air feeling better, the less vehicles miles traveled, and the less pollution for our lungs. I've also been really concerned about, the community that is right next to the port. We're still seeing the trucks come through. The information is important. And, Aclima, you guys provided that information to exactly show what is happening on my street. And you can definitely see the differences between communities that don't have the same impact versus our communities that do have this impact. And so we want to make sure that if we're going to improve our air quality, it doesn't come at a cost where folks are losing their jobs. We need to reflect and move forward with the positive solutions.